inside the Jack-in-the-Box? What will it be? Turn the crank and turn it again. Pop! Ooh!
Goes the elf! A green elf making Christmas toys!
What's inside the Jack-in-the-Box? What will it be? Turn the crank and turn it again. Pop!
Goes the reindeer! A brown reindeer flying through the sky!
Wow!
Goes the stocking! A red stocking hanging on the fireplace!
What's inside the Jack-in-the-Box? What will it be? Turn the crank and turn it again. Pop! Wow!
Goes the star! A yellow star, big and bright! Elf! Reindeer! Stocking! Star! Goes the ornament! A blue ornament, oh so shiny! Goes the tinsel! Silver tinsel on the Christmas tree!
What's inside the Jack-in-the-Box? What will it be? Turn the crank and turn it again. Pop!
Goes the present! A pink present! What's inside?
Huh? Pop! Ew! Wow!
And a colorful Christmas tree!
We found
A green elf! A brown reindeer! A red stocking! A yellow star! A blue ornament! Silver tinsel! A pink present! And a colorful Christmas tree!